You said you heard something. Can you describe that for us?
It's a loud bang. It's gunshot. That's the only thing I can think of.
And you've heard gunshots before.
Lots of gunshots, yeah.
So you hear this and you recognize that as a gunshot.
Yes,
And you said then your window shattered.
correct.
Did you see a hole through your window?
No, which was confusing. So I was, all this stuff is happening quick. I'm sure I had some kind of what's the word I'm looking for? Shock, some form of shock. I'm sure there's a little bit of that, but I remember the first thought I had was I need to call 911. Someone just shot at me. So that, and I remember my phone flying forward and backward because I was driving quickly and accelerating quickly. I remember getting my phone and calling 911 and just, I remember having a hard time breathing, just feeling overwhelmed that somebody shot at me. And then I think maybe because I was feeling a little guilty or something, I remember thinking like, oh, maybe, there's no bullet in my car. I don't see a bullet hole anywhere. Maybe they did, maybe it wasn't a real gun. Maybe I'm overthinking this, You have a lot of thoughts going through your head.
Did you ever say maybe it was a paint gun?
Yes, I think I did.
Thinking now, have you seen a paint gun before?
Yeah, I've played paintball lots of times.
Does paint come out? And
Not as loud, and it marks stuff everywhere.
would it have left, in your experience, having fired paint guns, does it shoot out paint that you would then see?
Yeah, wherever it hits, it leaves a bunch. That's why it's called paintball.
Did you see any paint on your window?
No.
Were you thinking clearly at that point when you're thinking about that?
I think there's a lot of thoughts that go through your mind. It was a very stressful situation. I've never had someone shoot at me before.